Tonight she will be singing Paul McCartney's Maybe I'm Amazed.
Oh! Wow. Wow. I told you. Wow. Wow.
Maybe I'm amazed the way you love me all the time. Baby, I'm amazed the way I love you. Maybe I'm amazed the way you pull me out of time, hung me on the line. Baby, I'm amazed the way I really need you. Maybe I'm a girl, maybe I'm a lonely girl stuck in the middle of something that she don't really understand. Maybe I'm a girl, maybe I'm the only guy who can ever help me. Baby, won't you help me understand? Ooh. Maybe I'm a girl, maybe I'm a lonely girl stuck in the middle of something that she don't really understand. Maybe I'm a girl, maybe you're the only guy that can help me. Baby, won't you help me understand? Maybe I'm amazed the way you're with me all the time. Maybe I'm amazed the way I need you. Maybe I'm amazed the way you help me sing my song, ride me when I'm wrong. Maybe I'm amazed the way I really need you. Maybe I'm a girl, maybe I'm a lonely girl stuck in the middle of something that she don't really understand.
All right. Since it's Team Jimmy, we'll start with you, Jimmy. You got 45 seconds.
All right, Jessica, I am so glad to be working with you. And wow, you pretty much did everything we talked about. There was still a little bit of headiness at the beginning when you first went in, but we talked about that as well. Didn't want you to take it too far. You took us from a very low key at the beginning, which we talked about, and you took us on a journey. It wasn't just all one level. You also did a brilliant job in filling out all those gaps, all those musical gaps where there was no words or anything. Those runs you were doing were fantastic. You look great. I just am very proud of you right now.
Phyllis.
You look wonderful. I love those shoes. I could never wear them though. But anyway, you felt that song. You felt that song, and you made us feel that song. And that's what's supposed to happen. And you delivered it. I could feel that you were really into the song. You were into that song. And the range, your range is amazing. It's beautiful. You're beautiful. I love it.
Aunt Betty.
Oh, good effort. You look terrific. I agree with your coach here. You're a little heady. It gets a little bit too much into the nose and not enough in the mouth. And when it is in the mouth, all of a sudden the volume gets a little better, the resonance, you can hear it ping in the room and stuff. So you have that placement in you, and you need to control yourself to hold that placement. That's about it. Also, I'd like a little better direct eye contact and contact with us out here in the audience. You're doing a little bit of being in your own space up there. That's a real dangerous thing to do in most songs.
All right, Michael.
Hey, sweetie, how you doing? Great song, really, really hard song to do, by the way. I felt it a little one-dimensional, to be perfectly honest. It seemed like you were started off loud, and then you got a little bit louder, and then your pop up to your But at the first two were not connected. At the end, I wish you had been. It seemed like you relaxed, like halfway through, and you're like, I'm just gonna go for it. And I'm not even going to think about anything but the notes or the song, and everything popped open, which is what you're talking about placement-wise, because it's a hard song and it's got to have a lot of angst, and it was almost like the first couple, there was such a drastic transition from chest to this, as opposed to, does that make sense? Yeah. But you were really, really good, and I loved your preparedness. Loved it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Jessica Wolf from Team Jimmy.